Hello, guys. So, my name is Coach Wilfred Asuko. I am a capacity builder. How are you guys doing? I'm sure you guys have been following us closely and you've been enjoying our different episodes. And if you're just joining us for the very first time, I do request and I crave your indulgence that you smash on the red subscribe button to join the channel so you can follow us as we grow on this journey. The focus of my conversation is always in capacity building. We need to focus on how to grow our community. We need to focus on how to grow our career. We need to grow our nation. We need to move away from miracles. Let's focus on capacity building. So, if you need to grow your capacity, many a times you need a coach. So today I will be talking to you about the impact of a coach in one's career. A coach can play a pivotal role in shaping and accelerating one's career. Whether you are just starting out or seeking to advance to the next level, a coach provides guidance, support, and strategic approach to help you achieve your professional goals. Well, I will be sharing some ways in which a coach can impact your career. And the first one on my list is clarity and direction. You see, in clarity and direction, goal settings seems to be paramount. A coach will help you define clear, achievable goals. They will work with you to identify what you want to achieve in your career and create a roadmap to get there. You see, a coach will hold you by hand and walk alongside with you, different from a mentor who will just be telling you. I'm a coach and I'm speaking from experience. How about strategic planning? With a coach, you can develop a strategic plan that outlines the steps needed to reach your goals. This plan can include skills development, networking, and navigating career transitions. How about skill development? Identifying skills gaps. A coach can help you identify the skills you need to develop to advance in your career. Whether it's in leadership, communication, or technical skills, a coach will provide resources and strategies to help you grow. How about enhancing strength? In addition to addressing weakness, a coach can help you leverage your strengths. They can guide you on how to use your existing skills to your advantage and stand out in your field. Accountability and motivation is another one. On regular check-ins, a coach will provide regular check-ins to keep you on track with your career goals. This accountability ensures that you stay focused and motivated to take the necessary steps to advance your career. Next one is encouragement and support. A coach offers encouragement and support, helping you overcome obstacles and stay committed to your career path, even when challenges arise. How about personalizing guidance, tailored advice? You see, I am a coach and I can attest to this particular point. As a coach, I provide personalized advice based on your unique career situation, helping you to tailor your resume that is peculiar to you, whether you are navigating a difficult work environment or transitioning into a different career space or considering a major career change. As a coach, I offer insights that are specifically relevant to you. And that leads me to the next one, career transition support. If you are considering a career change, a coach can guide you through the transition. They can help you access your options, prepare for new opportunities, and make informed decisions. The next one is improve decision making, objectives, and perspectives. A coach offers an objective perspective on your career decisions. They can help you evaluate your options more clearly and make decisions that align with your long-term goals. When it comes to critical thinking, by asking the right questions, a coach will encourage you to think critically about your career choices. This process helps you make more informed and thoughtful decisions. Networking and opportunities cannot be left out. It's going to help you expand your network. A coach can help you expand your professional network by connecting you with industry contacts and providing strategies for effective networking. Always remember, what money can offer you, networking will offer you for free. Now, how about identifying opportunities? You see, there is a place of a coach and there is a place of a religious persons or pastors or GOs. Don't get me wrong and don't get me twisted. As an African child, we run to our, clergies, we run to our reverends, we run to our pastors for everything. Now listen, they need help too because they can't know everything. The reason why you will need a business coach, you need a career coach, you need a well fitness coach, you need a financial coach, people that have walked the path before. That's what you need. So in identifying opportunities, coaches often have industry insight and can help you identify career opportunities that you might not have considered. They can guide you on how to position yourself for new roles and opportunities. The number 7, if you are following me, is confidence building and overcoming self-doubt. You see, many professionals struggle with self-doubt or imposter syndrome. A coach can help you build confidence by reconsidering your achievements or recognizing your accomplishments, reinforcing your strengths, and challenging limiting beliefs. Presenting yourself is another one. A coach can work with you to improve your presentation skills, whether it's for job interviews, public speaking, or negotiating a promotion. This boost in confidence can make a significant difference in how others perceive you. You see, as a coach, this is what I do. I help several of my clients and mentees to increase their confidence level. I coach them on how to present themselves even in any career opportunity that they find themselves. So, a coach will also help you to establish your work-life balance, managing stress, and prevent burnt out by teaching you strategies for life balances. They can guide you on how to prioritize your time, set boundaries, and maintain a healthy work-life integration. How about sustainable success? By helping you to achieve a better balance, a coach will ensure that your career success is sustainable and does not come at the cost of your personal well-being. Have you thought about the long-term career growth, continuous learning? A coach will encourage a continuous learning and development culture, helping you stay relevant and competitive in your field. They can suggest courses, certifications, or experiences that align with your career goals. How about career longevity? With a coach guidance, you can navigate the different stages of your career more effectively, ensuring long-term growth and success. Number 10, leadership development. Building leadership skills. For those aspiring to leadership roles, a coach can provide targeted leadership development. This includes improving decision-making, team management, and communication skills. And above all, looking at mentorship role. A coach can also help you transition into a mentor or leadership roles, guiding you on how to support and develop others in their career. In conclusion, a coach can have a transformative impact on your career by providing clarity, skill development, and strategic guidance. They serve as a trusted advisor, helping you navigate challenges, seizing opportunities, and achieve your professional goals. Whether you are aiming for a promotion, transitioning to a new career, or seeking to enhance your leadership abilities, the right coach can be a powerful catalyst for your success. Investing in coaching is an investment in your future, empowering you to take control of your career and unlocking your full potentials. Make a positive impact in your life today by choosing a coach with a lot of experience that can help you to scale your career. Like you know, always, see you all at the top because the bottom is crowded.